Hello guys, and welcome to my channel and also to another session of algorithm question solving. So in the last video we looked at how you can reverse a string using the string reversal algorithm that we looked at two methods. Now in this session you're going to look at a palindrome, and a palindrome is basically a word or phrase that reads the same backward as forward. So like the words like dad, like Anna. So these words, they read the same backward and forward. So let's just look at how we can solve that. And I still have my code editor open here, and I've created a new file called palindrome.js. So this is where we are going to write the code, and I'm just serving I'm serving this page. You can see I have index.html, and I've just linked that file, which is palindrome.js, so that every time we save, we are going to view anything that we console logged in the browser. So I've just opened this using live server, and you can see this is the file and nothing is here. Now to make sure that this is the file that is open in the browser, I just want to console log palindrome algorithm, just like that, and save. And if we go back to the browser, you can see it is logged here. Right, so let's just write the steps that you are going to use to solve it. So a palindrome is a word or sentence that can be read the same backward and forward. So what this means is, like the words like dad, words like Anna, and other words are like civic. You can read the same backward and forward, right? So what is the step that is involved in writing a code, a function that's going to check if a word or a sentence is a palindrome or not? So the first thing is this. We have to convert the string to lowercase. And then step 2 is going to remove all the spaces and special characters. Number 3, reverse the string, and then finally check if the reversed string is equals to the original string. So if equal, it is a palindrome. Otherwise it is not. Okay, so those are the steps that you are going to follow, right? So the first one, you convert the string to lowercase, the string or the word to lowercase. After that, we remove all the special characters and spaces. After that, we reverse that string or word, and then we check if the reversed string or word is equals to the original string. Okay, so let's go. So I'll just write const is palindrome, and I'll call it that, and we pass there the string as an argument, I think a parameter. Okay, and I'm doing this is an arrow function. ES6. If you're familiar with the ES6, this is just like a normal function, but this is our arrow function. Okay, so we have this string that you are passing there. The first thing is we convert it to lowercase. Okay, we convert to lowercase. So you can say lower c. You can just call it lower string. Let's do let lower string equals to string dot I use to lowercase, right? To lowercase. Lowercase. So this converts that string to lowercase, right? And after converting to lowercase, you need to remove all the spaces and special characters. And how do you do that? So these are common regex that you are going to use, right? So this is the regex. We'll just do this, replace, and then we use these regex. So this is going to remove all the spaces and all the spaces and special characters from that specific string or word. Okay, so let's just get this and do it here. So just do that dot replace. So it replaces all the special characters, and spaces, right? It replaces it, right? So if we just do that and try to console.log lowercase lower string, sorry. So if we just do that, and let's just try with let's try calling that function here is palindrome, and let's just get a sentence which is a palindrome. We'll just get this sentence here. Go back to our code and paste there and just save, and let's go come here and check, and you can see that all the special characters have been removed and spaces have been removed. Okay, so after that, the next step is check if the reverse string is equals to the original string. Okay, so we have to reverse first, so we have to reverse that one first. So you can just do let reversed equals to lower string. So we are using the lower string. Okay, dot split. So you just use the same concept we used in the last video in reversing. So split dot reverse and then dot join. So just use the same concept that we used in the last video where we were writing the string reversal algorithm. So after that, after reversing, so we convert to lowercase and remove special characters and spaces. After that, we reverse, get a reversed version of that, which is this one. And now just check if they are equal. So just say if reversed is equals to lower string, then we know that it is a palindrome. So just do console.log and it is a palindrome. Then we just return true, else we just return just console.log it is not a palindrome, right? Then we return false. Right, so that's it. So if we go and you can see it is a palindrome, and let's just try to remove a one letter here. Let's just try to remove M and save, and you see it is not a palindrome. But if we return M, you can see it is a palindrome, and you can try to pass there, we can try to test it with the dad. That's that, and save and see, and you see it is a palindrome. Let's try to add some weird characters. It is not a palindrome. So basically that is it. That's how you check. That is the algorithm that can check if a word or a sentence is palindrome or not. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe so that in the next time I release a video, you'll be notified. Thank you, and see you in the next one.